We're now going to take a look at the forecast now as another day of potentially dicey weather shapes up. Mark Prater joins us now to explain that.
Well, we've got an atmosphere which has been worked over pretty well from the storms yesterday and into last night. And that is always good to see because it helps to remove a lot of the energy from the air. But that being said, we have a couple of things that will likely help to overcome that, especially later into our day. It's 64 degrees right now in Fayette. It was active in Fayette, a lot of lightning. I mean, the lightning show yesterday was really incredible, and that happens when we have a setup like this. Winds are calm at this hour, but that will be changing later into the day. A look at our forecast for today. I've got a chance of a shower early on, mainly in East Alabama, and then by noon, showers and thunder showers begin to ramp up in our western counties. All of us looking at thunderstorms likely by the afternoon into this evening. Some of these could be strong, some could be severe. Forecast model data shows that as we go through the morning, we'll start to clear out some. That's not what we want. Obviously, once we get some sunshine in here, that really gets the atmosphere pretty active. By 3:30, though, thunder showers start to develop, especially around Birmingham, south and westward. Hamilton, you'll likely have the first batch of thunderstorms, and then the storms really get going. The potential for strong to severe storms will stay mainly from I-65 westward. Don't want to rule it out for East Alabama, but we do have a moderate risk, at least for a good portion of the day. Then that shifts over into East Alabama into early tonight and then tomorrow morning. By 9 o'clock, notice all of the storms are from Birmingham eastward, and then the rain starts to move out. This is by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll be clearing out, getting cooler. A batch of cooler, drier air will slip back into the state. Temperatures dropping off some roughly 10 to 15 degrees in a few spots, but then over the next couple of days we'll have a few high clouds streaking through, but dry weather right through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The radar has been active, obviously, with all of the storms we had, not just tornado damage, but we've got reports of wind damage as well. That's just as dangerous and actually more widespread than we do have with isolated tornado touchdowns. Either way, all of that is shifted towards the east. The only remaining showers we have are from Talladega County back up into Calhoun, as well as Etowah and even Cherokee counties. Alex City, you've got a few thunder showers, likely hearing the thunder rumbling right now. Here are the temperatures. We got numbers ranging from low 60s to low 70s. The atmosphere is tropical. It's got a lot of energy in it, and we do have a cold front that will be passing through. So again, as I pointed out, the sunshine will make a difference today. If it's out for a few hours, that will really help to ramp things up. And then an area of low pressure will pass through with the cold front. That's also going to add lift. So you take that warm, moist, tropical, hotter air and lift it up to where it's much colder. That's where our thunderstorms really start to brew. That changeover from moisture, or at least a gas, to a liquid really helps to set off a lot of energy into the atmosphere as well. So that's the key. That's what we have to look for. How much will we have as far as energy goes? We're having to try to guess and go with some of the data our forecast models are indicating. Sometimes they're a little not necessarily off, but they may not agree. Here is the moderate risk for today. Keep in mind you need to have your weather radio available, and we will be watching this all throughout the day today and certainly keeping you posted. Here's your 7-day forecast, clearing out, turning dry and better as we head through the rest of the week. Our temperatures into the upper 60s, low 70s. Great looking forecast for the weekend.